Hey everyone, so Delta Airlines is scheduled to report earnings on April 10 before market open, and in this video we will see how you can trade the stock and if it's worth buying ahead of the report. If you like this content, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel because there are more to come. So let's first start with the chart. The stock bottomed in late 2023 around the 30 level, and ever since it has been rising steadily, currently trading 50% above the lows. A couple of days ago, price rejected around the 52-week high near the 49 level, and the stock is likely to test the 12-period exponential moving average on the daily chart. I consider it a good sign that the stock is modestly selling off ahead of its earnings report because it shows that investors are not overexcited, setting the bar too high for the results. Looking at the chart, we can easily notice that in its previous earnings report, investors were disappointed even though the reported earnings were better than expected. What seemed to be the main point of concern, according to this CNBC article, was the fact that the company cut its full-year profit outlook. Still, however, the CEO pointed out that demand remains solid, with international travel gaining momentum. Further to the profit forecast, investors will also focus on potential supply chain challenges and, of course, the impact of higher costs. If we move on to the Finviz page, we will notice mostly two things. One is the attractive P/E ratio, indicating that the stock is cheap, and another one is the optimistic stance of several high-profile analysts who rate the stock as a buy or an outperform, with the consensus target price being around 17% higher from current levels. So, to conclude, how can you trade this stock ahead of earnings? In my view, travel demand will remain solid throughout the year, and this is obviously very bullish for the stock. If management sets an optimistic tone for the guidance, and if the numbers are solid overall, the stock is likely to trade higher. If price retraces further towards the 45 or 46 level, I believe the risk reward is favorable. That's about it. Please remember that this is not financial or investment advice, and you should always perform your own research before buying or selling stocks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.